on my TikTok after. Very cute packaging. Oh, no. This is so hard. Jeez. Okay. Anyway. Cute. Look at this. So yeah, TikTok exclusive. So so cute. Details. Sign me up. So it works out perfectly. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wish I could just hang it up right there, but I don't have tape or anything. A table. Classic. Look at the packaging. Sriracha hot sauce, chili sauce. Cute. I'm sorry. Sriracha and this cute lid. It looks like a real sriracha bottle. Too flippin' cute. I can't stand this wobbling, but like I have no choice. Sorry. I think they're gonna be on their TikTok, like TikTok exclusive. I don't know for sure though, so I don't want to tell you the wrong thing, but what I heard is that they're like TikTok exclusive. So just make sure you're following Miniverse and watch their lives because they'll talk about it on there. And I'll update when I know, but right now I'm not sure. Black plate. I love it with this tiny little dish. I love how it all matches. More beautiful packaging. Oh, got the chicken. The star of the show, aside from the sriracha, I guess. And little limes. I needed more limes, so I'm happy about that. And there's 2 more little packets. Thanks for all the likes, guys. Oh my gosh. So cute. I wanted one of these. I want a little green cap for the ball. This freaking tripod, like I can't. Okay. Adorable. I'll put that over here. Actually, no, no. Hi, welcome back. I'm just opening this now. I'm gonna post the full like unwrapping unboxing on my TikTok if you're interested in that. But here's some of the packaging. Actually, I guess, you know, I ripped it. Super cute. Little chives. Whoever designs these things needs a raise. Just saying. Just saying. Oh my gosh, that would be hella cute. You're so smart. I wish now I wish I didn't just like tear them apart, but I can probably figure something out and still make it look okay. But to save the wrappers and then put them on the table, that's a really good idea. Oh my god. This looks like kind of freaky. I'm not gonna lie. Like it looks real. Looks like a chicken wing, but chicken wings kind of freak me out. I like the drumsticks though, not gonna lie. Did you arrange this the best way? Little tenders. Sorry, I didn't even show you guys. How rude of me. Yeah, I don't know. I just tore them apart. I wasn't even thinking about it. Makes no sense. But if if they sell them on their TikTok, I'll get another one. Because I want more of this chicken too. How cute. I'm gonna have like no leftover chicken. That's okay. It's quite alright. Now, the sriracha. And this is the new resin. Cute. It says that too. So this is the new resin that they have. Made from sun-ripened chilies. So freaking cute. I'm good. How are you? Oh, is it still lagging? Okay, so first I'm gonna put some sriracha in this bowl over here. Oh my god. Yes, I will most likely be there tomorrow. Almost definitely. Unless, like, I randomly decide to do something else, but I kind of doubt it. There's some other stuff I want to see there. If anyone wants me to go live again while I'm there, I can. Like I said, putting on the chives slowly. It's really sunny out, so I might just take it outside for a field trip. My goal is to have this like standing up, like it's glazing them. And I don't think I can do it like with the tools that I have. So I might do it another time. But please just imagine they're finished. Like this. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, thanks. I'm glad you like it. And it has this little thing that I'm going to put on it.